Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you how you can stabilize any shaky videos using your Android smartphones. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to go to the Play Store. In the Play Store, you need to search for Google Photos. As I've already installed, so I'm not going to install it again. So you install it, and when installation is done, click open. On opening, you can see the user interface. So as I have recorded one video which is very shaky, so let me show you. First, you can view here. I'll be just previewing it for you so you can confirm it. So here is the shaky part, so I'll pause it. So you can see below there is one icon by which you can edit. So what you will get here, you can see an option here, stabilize. You don't need to do anything, just click on the stabilize. It will start stabilizing your entire video. Wait for a few seconds until it's get stabilized. So it's stabilized. As you can see, a blue color appearance on this button. So we'll try to play this video by tapping on the play button. So how much it's stabilized, we will see. As there was very shaky as I was moving at that time, the video was very shaky. Now we will see. As you can see, very normal. Before it was very shaky. So in my point of view, it's really good and a cool applications, and it's totally free of cost. And this application is actually a Google Photos applications from the Google itself, so you should definitely try this application out by yourself. And this features has been included recently, not to all features, but you need to install the latest Google Photos application to get this options to stabilize your shaky videos. So in my point of view, you should definitely check this feature and try it out yourself. If you have a shaky video, I'm sure you will get most probably like 70 to 80% less shaky videos than you have recorded with those very shaky portions. So in my point of view, go and check it out and try it yourself. And if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and please do support our channel by subscribing our channel. And lastly, thanks for watching.